Hello everyone, I am Srisha. Welcome back to Creative Math 07. In my previous video, I explained how to calculate the mean for discrete and grouped data. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the mean for grouped data. Let's get started. Before we dive into solving problems, let's quickly review the different methods to calculate mean. We have the direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. In this video, we will focus on the direct method. Now, let us look at the steps to calculate the mean for grouped data. Step 1. Find the class marks. It is also known as midpoints. To calculate the midpoints, you can use the formula. Class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. You can label this column as xi. In step 2, multiply the frequency column f5 by the class marks, that is xi. You will get a new column, that is fi into xi. In step 3, calculate capital N and summation fi xi, where you need to add all the values in the frequency column and also the values in the fi xi column. In step 4, calculate the mean by substituting the values into the formula. Mean is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Now we are ready to apply these steps to a problem. Let's go through an example. 30 women were examined in a hospital and their heartbeats per minute were recorded. The data was summarized in the table below. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Now let's break down the problem. What is given? The number of heartbeats per minute. This will be our x. The number of women. This represents the frequency of each class interval. By using the direct method, let's calculate the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Now you need to find the class marks, that is midpoints. How will you find the midpoints? The formula is class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. If you observe the class intervals in number of heartbeats per minute column, 68 is upper limit, 65 is lower limit. So to find midpoint, you have to add 68 plus 65 divided by 2. You will get 133 divided by 2. If you divide by 2, you will get 66.5. In the same way, you have to add for the remaining class intervals. 71 plus 68 divided by 2. 74 plus 71 by 2. In the same way, you can find the midpoints for the remaining class intervals. If you see, I have calculated all the midpoints by using the formula unlisted here. Now, you have to create one more column, that is fi xi, where you multiply frequencies into midpoint, that is fi into xi. 2 into 66.5, that is 133. 4 into 69.5, 3 into 72.5. Similarly, you have to calculate for the remaining. Now, you have to calculate capital N, where you will add all the values in the frequency column. Here, capital N is equal to 30. Now, you have to add the values in the fi xi column to get summation fi xi. If you add all the values, you will get 2277. So, summation fi xi is equal to 2277. We know the formula for mean by using direct method. Summation fi xi by summation fi, or you can choose summation fi xi by capital N. Capital N or summation fi, both are same, which represents the total frequencies. So we have N is equal to 30, summation fi xi is equal to 2277. Now let us substitute all these in the formula. X bar is equal to summation fi xi by capital N. We represent mean as x bar. So substitute the values. X bar is equal to 2277 divided by 30. If you simplify, you will get x bar is equal to 75.9. We got mean is equal to 75.9. So the conclusion statement is the mean number of heartbeats per minute for these women is 75.9. In this video, we explored how to calculate mean for grouped data by using direct method. We broke down the steps clearly, making it easy to follow. In the next video, we will introduce the assumed mean method, which provides an alternative approach. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.